my damn man, now he go out like a hitman.
I need it now. If I ain't have it, I'ma get it. Bitch, I'm the best, ain't no one could've said.
What's up, y'all? Today I'm gonna go over the new, a new lottery just recently came out. It's the water. It's not new, but like it just came back out again. The water pressure lottery. This is where the inflatable armor was first. I don't know if the inflatable armor is still there. I didn't check, but I just gonna say I'm gonna review the sniper rifle because everybody used to, everybody likes to see the new sniper rifle and like how it is. So I'll do some gameplay with the sniper rifle. It's kind of like a decent one. It has some little AOE, so it's pretty alright. I wouldn't really use it as like my favorite, but it's it's just like a decent sniper rifle. So of course I'm gonna do my mods with like no mods at the start, and like it's always gonna be no pumpkin mask too, but I will have wear like Tiara and cape, which boosts my damage. So this is on rare. It did about 162 damage, which that's not bad. Alright, so now we're gonna go into the AoE. It's like it has a little AoE only. So if it's like this much little AoE, it does 70 damage. And now I'm going for mods against dev armor, because for sure, literally level X mods and pumpkin mask, it does 5 damage less, bro. Like, are you serious? It does 255 damage, man. Like, dude, they just need to make a little buff, just to make that better, because it's 255, bro. You can't even one shot with X mods and pumpkin mask. And now that's for a headshot. That was headshot for no mods and no mask. So that was 250. That was like 17 damage left from dev. And the last one was the area damage with my X mods and mask. So it did 121 damage. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And yeah, if you guys want more, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for supporting me still. And my aim would be bad later on, just trust. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed from what you can see here. And yeah, see y'all next time.
You